Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Career. In today's video, I'll try to compare the AnTuTu benchmark test results between the Mi11 versus the Redmi K40, so which is also called as the Poco F3 device as well. The Redmi K40 and the Poco F3, they are using the Snapdragon 870 processor, and whereas the Mi11 does use the Snapdragon 888 processor, so which is very powerful than the normal 870 chipset. So let's see friends, which AnTuTu benchmark test results will be the better and how much difference we can actually expect between the both of these smartphones. So it's like Snapdragon 870 versus the Snapdragon 888, which is a top high-end chipset. So let me try to open the AnTuTu benchmark application right now to show you the results, what are the results are. So I already did the AnTuTu benchmark test results between both the phones, so just I'll try to compare the scores, how much I have got here. As you can see friends, the results are pretty shocking. There's a difference of overall 1 lakh difference in terms of the AnTuTu benchmark test results. That's a huge difference. So from Snapdragon 870 to the 888, you can see here friends clearly. So 1 lakh difference is there. That's an exact 1 lakh. The major difference I did find out in the GPU section. So if you look at the GPU, so 2,40,000 versus the 3 lakhs. So there's a difference of 60,000 difference is there between these two smartphones. And in the CPU segment, in the CPU, it's kind of only I think 9,000 difference is there between both the phones, 9 to I think 11,000. So it's not much big deal in terms of the CPU, but in the GPU. So if you're a gaming oriented person, then definitely there's a huge impact will be there on the Snapdragon 888. So definitely when these are the quick benchmark comparisons between both the phones, and if you observe the temperatures increasing, the temperature increased by 11 degrees here and 7 degrees here. As you can see, the temperature differences. So this is a small review and comparing the AnTuTu benchmark test results between both the phones, and same way I'll try to compare the Snapdragon 870 chipset with the plenty of other smartphones which I'm having with me right now. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for those kind of interesting videos and interesting comparisons. You'll get to know a lot of different things regarding the process, which processor will be the best and all those things. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.